Hi guys, all of you, good evening and welcome back to DevOps 16th class and the Git 4th class. Guys, in last three classes, in the first class here we saw that how to install Git and how to configure and how to clone that repository from remote to local Linux machine. Okay. After that, in the second class, how to create repository and how to clone that. We saw that, and how to add that file and commit that file, push the file. In the third class, we saw that how to install Git on Windows machine. Yes, and how to troubleshoot that configuring and pushing the files from local to remote. Guys, in today's class, yes, we are seeing that how to create AWS account. How to create AWS account. After that, how to connect to AWS account. How to log into that AWS account. After that, how to create that instance and how to connect that instance from local to remote. After that, how to install Git on with AWS EC2 instance. Okay, so prerequisites. Just a matter of 15 to 20 minutes if everything fine. Yes. Git on AWS EC2 instance. EC2 instance. Okay guys, prerequisites. Here, so today's concept, the agenda is one, create a mail in Google account in Gmail organization. Okay, mail in Gmail. Okay, organization. 2. Next, create AWS account. Next, login into AWS account. Next, 4, create a AWS EC2 instance. Next, connect to EC2 instance from local to remote. Okay guys. Next, 6th one is update the EC2. Next, install Git on EC2 instance. Okay, next, working with Git on AWS EC2. Okay, these are the today's our concept. Okay guys, now open any one browser, yes, Gmail, create account, yes, CloudGen, yes. Click on next. You can choose that valid date. Okay, just create your own. Cloudgen 0011 DevOps 6 p.m. Cloudgen DevOps 6 p.m. Yes. Yes. Mail account is ready. Okay. Next. Next, open new tab. You apply that AWS Management Console, aws.amazon.com console. You will get this page. After that, just click on that My Account. Just place that mouse pointer, automatically it will pop up. Next, choose that AWS Management Console. Then create a new account. Create new account. Root account. Yes. Register the mail ID. Next, account name, whatever you want. Just click on that verify mail ID. Yes, you will get one notification to mail. Yes. Next, verify. Next, password, which one you want. Yes, click on this. Next, choose that personal account. Don't choose that business. Next, full name for contacting details. Yes. choose that your nation, next number, okay, next. Next country region, yes, address, yes, if you have that, yes, finally accept this one, click on that. Yes, now card details, you should have that Visa or Master or Rupee, or even you can use that ATM, sorry, Airtel card also you can use that, and the Paytm card also you can use that. Okay, yes. 40. Next. Okay, yes, click on this. Yes, if you have that new address, you can use address, you can use that. Yes, if you have that PAN card, yes, you can use that. This is your PAN number. Nothing to worry. Yes, yes. Almost. Okay. So you will get one notification to mobile. Yes, guys, AWS will charge only 2 rupees. That one also will get back. Just verification purpose we are using. It is next. Yes, you can choose which one you want. Both are same. Yes. Personal use. Which purpose you are using this account is personal use. Yes, ownership, individual. Next. Okay. Permanent account number. So it's something again. Already I have given that one. Okay. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes, what is it? Get it 8x T5 3. Yes, almost done. Yes, you will get one verification. Yes. Guys, yes, here we are choosing that basic. So guys, if you are choosing this one developer plan or what is that business plan, you have to pay $100 for business support. Or else if you are using that developer support, you should use and pay that $29 per month. If you are using that basic support, yes, you can use it. So for in our case, present it's enough. You just use that basic support fee and complete sign up. Almost done. Next, go to AWS Management Console. Next, choose here what is the role is. So I'm choosing this one and interested in DevOps. Yes, submit. You can choose any one, guys, not only that one. Based on your requirement, yes, you can choose any one. AWS account also is ready. Okay, next, my account, AWS management console. Next, is to change that. Yes. Password, what you have given the password. Okay. Successfully we have created AWS account in AWS console. But sometimes you have to wait for half an hour or 1 hour or 24 hours time, because if you want to access all services from the AWS account, you have to wait for depends on that the providing or taking time. Now guys, our AWS account is ready. Yes, we logged in into AWS also. We logged in into AWS account also. Now we are going to creating EC2 instance. What is instance? What is EC2? What is the difference between EC2 and instance? Interview question. What is instance? What is EC2? EC2 is a service, Elastic Compute Cloud. Elastic Compute Cloud in AWS. Instance nothing but a VM. See guys, here we are calling as a VM. This is one VM. And this is one server. Now which one we are going to access in Windows? For example, this is one server or one mission. Here also, this is also one mission. These all are the missions. Like that, in AWS also, we are creating one EC2 instance. We will discuss that guys. Once we enter into that AWS official concept, that time we will discuss that. So until that, we are learning some practical sessions for DevOps purpose. Okay. Until that, just wait and practice AWS services. Now what we are doing, that we are going to creating EC2. Yes guys, these are the services list. You can choose which one you want. Yes, if you have that confirmation on particular service, yes, you can apply that EC2. Select that and hit the enter. See guys, particular one. If you hit that enter, particular one, you will get this. Yes, something we need to wait for. See guys, it will take the time. Just wait for some time. Yes, it will take time guys. Yes guys. So fine, imagine it. Our AWS account is ready to access. AWS account is ready to access. So I am having that another AWS account. This account, AWS. Okay, this is my present active account. Just I'm logging into AWS console by using a root. We logged in into, just imagine it. We have created and logged in into AWS account. Now what we are doing, that we are going to creating instance. We are going to creating instance. So guys, so recently used services. If you want to create a new EC2 instance, or else yes, you can set here EC2. If you are new to AWS account or AWS services, okay, yes, just in the search button, in the search box, apply that EC2 and hit the enter. You will get a direct service in the dashboard. See guys, this is the dashboard of EC2 instance. Okay, this is the EC2 dashboard. Now click on that launch instance. Now you can choose which name you want, name of the server. For example, see guys, now we are going to cloning one VM. Yes, while cloning that, So we are going to naming that, which name you want. See, for example, yes, AWS Git server. I'm naming like this. I'm naming like this. If you want to name like this, yes, you can name, or else you can choose anyone you want. Yes. But try to avoid that space, guys. Try to avoid space. That's not a good habit to using that space. Just apply that AWS Git type Git server. Next. So which OS you want? These are the OSs. AWS organization providing these OSs. If you have your own AMIs, yes, you can choose that. See, this is my own AMI. Okay, at present I'm not using. So I'm using just wait. Okay. Yes, I'm choosing that from AWS. AWS organization providing their own operating system. And this is the Mac, this is the Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE Linux. Okay, guys, Debian, if you want. Yes, if you want to some more, you can choose on this one. Click on that, more AMI. Okay, guys, you can see that. So present I am choosing that. AWS Linux. By default, automatically it will select that. Next, here you have to change that. Don't take this one. Just click on here. The second one, Amazon Linux to do AMI HVM hypervisor. Okay, VM. Okay, select this one. Next, just wait. Now, which instance you want? Which instance means, guys? It's providing that T2 micro. Yes, you will get 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM. You will get 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM. Yes, if you observe this one, you can see here, guys. So how much we are having that? Memory nothing but RAM. Memory nothing but RAM. How much we are getting? 2 GB and 2 processors. You can observe here 1 CPU, virtual CPU, 1 GB RAM. So if you want to increase, yes, just click on here. You will get a list of items. You can choose whatever you want, but it depends on the charges here. So whenever you are going to taking other than free type, AWS will provide you some services with a free of cost. Okay, that time you can see, yes, which one is the free of cost. Yes, you can see that free tier eligible. If you are not choosing free tier eligible, yes, if you are choosing another one than free tier eligible, yes, 100% that AWS organization will charge the amount on your using services. So keep in mind. So for example, right now this is enough for our requirement. T2 micro, 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM is enough for our practice purpose. You need not to choose another one. This is enough for free tier. Yes, now. So key pair. This is the key pair. This is the file. It's very important. It's one kind of that mediator or interface in between AWS organization and AWS cloud and the user mission. Okay, guys. So you should have that key. If already you are having that key, you can choose that. Or else you can create one new key pair. Yes, for example, I am creating that. Yes, AWS Git practice. So I am going to creating one name. With this name, we are going to creating one FEM file. Okay. So yes, we will discuss later on that what is that RSA and what is that ED 25519 and what is that FEM, what is the PPT file. We'll discuss in next upcoming classes. Until that, please wait that. Okay. Present we are choosing that FEM key. Yes, click on that. Create a key pair. Next. So it will also where you want to store that. Yes, I am choosing that documents. Save this one. And this is the key name. Keep in mind. You need to launch from here. Wherever you are going to storing this key, yes, from there you need to launch that console. Okay, just save this one. Next, Network. Network nothing but yes, protocols, ports. Okay, guys, protocols, ports. So by default, AWS organization will provide you, AWS cloud will provide you the default port number and the default protocol SSH. Protocol is SSH and the port number is 22. That port number 22 belongs to SSH by default. That SSH tool or protocol used to connect the server from remote to local. Whenever you want to connect your EC2 instance from your local machine to remote, from local to remote, that key you should have in your local machine. Got it, guys? You should have that key in your local machine. So that reason, yes, by default, yes, click on this one. If you want to edit that one, yes, you can. Okay, this is the VPC, default VPC, and subnet we didn't, automatically it will take that. Yes, upcoming classes, these are very, very important to discuss about that. VPC, what is VPC, what is subnet, what is security group, what is routing, what is NAT gateway. Okay, we need to be discussed. Okay, we'll discuss that on that. Just by default, right now we are using default. Next, even subnet also automatically it will select that, and auto assign public IP. So public IP, private IP. Whenever you want to access that EC2 instance from remotely, yes, you should have that enabled public IP. So automatically, whenever you choose that one, AWS cloud will provide you one public IP. Next, firewall, security group by default, leave that. Yes, if you want to create a new one, automatically it will create. This is the group name. Or else if you have that already existing security group, you can choose that. Now I am choosing that CloudGen. Okay, SG. Yes, the security group and the description. Just you can. Okay, if you want to change that, yes, you can change. Next. Okay, guys, add security group protocol. Yes. Add security group root. Now you can see, guys. So type is custom TCP. We are choosing that at present all traffic. So all traffic means, yes, all traffic means. So yes, how many ports are there? See, guys, this is the port count. Interview question. 65,535. This is the count. Okay. So every server should work on in between 1 to this count 65,535 on any one port. Present we are choosing that. So which one is required to connect EC2 instance from our local machine to remote? 22 is required. 22 is the port number. SSH is the protocol. SSH is the protocol. That protocol having port number 22. Yes, if you want to connect that, yes, we should have that protocol and port number by default. So whenever you are going to choosing default one, automatically AWS will give you that port number 22 and the protocol is SSH. Or else if you want to change that, yes, you can change that. Okay, guys. Now, okay, yes, all traffic. All traffic means, yes, we can access this complete count from 1 to 65,535 port numbers we can access whenever you are choosing all traffic. Okay, guys. Next, source type. Yes, use that anywhere. Source type, anywhere. Okay, guys. So, but mandatory one is SSH. Whenever you are choosing that SSH, automatically you will get SSH protocol. Just find that, guys. Yes, see SSH. So automatically you will get that port number 22C. Okay. Just to change that, choose that all traffic. Just yes, we can access this entire count 65,535 port numbers we can access by this using method. Now finally, yes, they are providing 8 GB storage. Guys, memory is different, disk is different. Got it? Huh? Memory nothing but a RAM. Keep in mind, guys. Keep in mind. If you are in confusion, if you are calling to disk space as a name of memory, whenever you are going to calling to disk by a memory, that's not correct. Memory nothing but a RAM. Memory nothing but a RAM. Keep in mind, guys. Yes. Memory. Yes. 64 GB memory. Memory card. Just not a memory. Just wait. What is calling it? It's calling it storage. Yes. You can. These are also not correct, guys. So yes, call that GB RAM. Okay. RAM nothing but a memory. RAM nothing but a memory. Okay, this is RAM. Okay, it's a primary memory. Okay, primary memory. Secondary memory is storage. Secondary memory is storage. Okay, guys. The difference between RAM and hard disk. Okay, but it's calling as a memory. Storage calling as a just you can call that as storage. You can see that. See what you will get. See, guys. You will get pen drive, hard disk to see. Okay. Will get like this. Got it? So here what we are doing that, yes, we are choosing by default AWS organization providing, AWS cloud providing 8 GB disk space. It's calling as a volume. It's calling as a volume. Okay. So what is the default storage volume you will get while creating EC2 instance? 8 GB. When you are, yes, on which instance, on which type of instance you are getting 8 GB? T2 micro. T2 micro. Yes, interview question. Which kind of instances you are using in your project? T2 micro. Okay. If you say like this, matter of minutes, you will finish your interview. Got it now? Guys, you should not say that T2 micro, T2 medium like that. Okay, 99% we are not choosing that T2 micro. That's a free type. Okay, for R&D purpose only we are using. In production environment, no one should not use the T2 micro. Which means you are not having practical experience. You are not a design person. Okay, you are not having design job experience. Just now you learned this subject and you are attending for interview. They will feel like that. Got it, now? So in real time, you should not say this one. Yes, you can choose that. Yes, come to this EC2 instance. Okay, just first of all read here which type of EC2 instances are there. Okay, so what is the size and the RAM? Okay, what is the RAM and CPU's count? Okay, see guys, here 4 CPU, 16 GB RAM. Okay, like this. So you need to choose some advanced. Okay, guys. So what is why you are choosing that kind of, which purpose you are choosing? Maybe they will ask the question. 100% they will ask the question. Why you are choosing that one? Okay. So do you know about that for choosing that instance? You need to explore some confidential answers. Okay, guys. So maybe my server is in my in production environment. Yes, there are a lot of works are there. Okay, maybe for avoiding health issue, we are going to choosing that high-end server. Like that, we need to say that. That depends on that our requirement. So finally, so AWS cloud providing 8 GB disk space. If you want to increase, yes, you can increase the case. Yes, it's providing that. So if you want, here's a 200 GB. Where is that? Where is that? Wait, right? Storage volumes. Okay, guys. Add volume if you want to add that. Okay, guys. Volume to. Already we have chosen that. Okay, fine. So by default, we will get that 8 GB and the number of instances. How many? 1, 2, or 3, or 5, or 10? How many? 1. Yes, you can choose that 1 or 2 based on your requirement. You can choose that. But present, I am choosing by default 1. Okay, just click on that launch and scan. Okay, so it's not having that 8 GB. The default one is 8 GB. That's enough. If you want to increase, yes, 100. Okay, you can. But don't choose like that. Yes, 100%. Yes, you will. This service will be chargeable if you are choosing more than 8 GB.
Ravi, hello.
Yes. Your voice is very low. You need to speak a bit loudly.
Yeah, I am having one doubt. Maybe one. Yeah,
yes.
Bro, I am having.
No.
Storage. Okay. Hello.
No, your voice is dropping. Not clear. Please put your. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I am having one doubt here. I have to choose 8 GB or 16 GB or 32, 64 something. It is there. Micro. If suppose 64, we can use 64. Suppose 50 GB, we will use 50 GB, but Microsoft will, as per standard, they will charge 64. Like that, is there any standard in AWS?
Yes. So AWS organize actually the difference between what is Windows Azure,
Okay.
yes, Microsoft Azure and AWS Cloud. So they are giving nearly 13,000 credits. Each credit equals
Yes.
1 rupee. Okay. So within 1 month, yes, you can use those 13,000 credits for each and every service. There are no free services. Initially, there are no free services. They are giving 13,000 credits. By those credits, you can use which service you want. Okay.
Yes.
Based on the service, they are charging 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, like that. You got it now?
No. That is not my concern, bro.
Yes.
I'm asking in real time. Okay. I am working as a Azure administrator. There, what happened? Suppose 64 GB disk. Okay, customer want 50 GB disk. Okay. But we will inform to customer. No, we will not give 50 GB. Client, we will give only 64 GB. Or else, why? Because they will if we will create 50 GB disk, but Microsoft will charge 64 GB.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there any standard is like that
Yes,
in AWS?
here also, yes. Based on, by default, they are providing 8 GB default. You got it now? If you are choosing free tier, yes, you can choose 8 GB. So whenever you are going to increasing your requirement, so 100% from there they will charge that amount. Okay.
Okay.
You got it now?
Got it.
Yes. So coming to Microsoft Azure, there is no, first of all, everyone free service. There is no free service, first of all. Okay. So, but they are providing 13,000 credits. By those credits, yes, we can choose whatever you want. Yes, what they will do that they will charge that services by using what they have provided, 13,000 credits. Once you finish 13,000 credits, your account will expire on 3 times. Got it now? So, but coming to officially, commercially, so they are having that different charges. So, but if you are interested, if you are using bulk level, yes, you can go for quotation. Okay, you can go for quotation. Yes, you can tender. Okay, they will comes to you and they will discuss. Yes, based on your conversation, maybe they will give that some what is that discounts and all that depends on that business. Got it now? Hello.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Yes. Okay. But here in AWS account, whenever you are going to using free tier account, by the free tier account also they are charging some charges. When they are going to charging, whenever you are using other than free services, and other than each service, okay, guys, they will charge you some amount. That depends on their billing rates. Okay, guys. So we'll discuss that later on. That what is the billing? Okay, what is the rate for each 1 GB, 2 GB, 5 GB under EC2 instance? Okay, what is that type of instance and volumes, and what is that CPUs and disk? What is that RAM? Okay, so we'll discuss later on that. Okay, we can see that billing details also, how they are charging and which service they are charging. Okay, what is the price of for each service per second? AWS will charge per second wise. Okay, guys. Now, finally, so the default 8 GB they are providing, we are choosing. And the number of instances they are providing default 1. Yes, we are continuing with 1 instance. Okay, almost 99.99% we are using. Okay, free tier services. Something went wrong. Yes. T2 micro. Yes. And VPC default 1. Security group by default we are choosing this. Name change alla. It's there na. Do one thing that okay. And what is this one? Security group by default add security group. Yes. All traffic and anyway. Something to face something happen. Okay. Okay, guys. Successfully we have created. See, guys. After creating, yes, you can create billing alerts. Okay, connected to EC2 instance, connected to RDS, relational database. Yes, you can create load balancer. Okay, manage detailed monitoring and create EBS, elastic block storage, snapshots, and so many. See, guys, lot of services are there. We can connect it to this instance. But at present we are not going to connecting anyone. We are working with the default services. Okay, let's click on that view. All instances. Instance. See, guys, it is a server. It is the server in AWS console, like this. See, whatever we are seeing these servers, these are the servers in our on-premises. Okay, these are the servers on our on-premises. But this is the server on cloud, in AWS cloud. Okay, guys. Now what we are doing that we are going to connecting to this instance. How we can connect? Yes, guys, when we can see the server is working fine, so you need to get that 2x2 checks here, OK button. So whenever you see the 2x2 OK, then the server is 100% working fine. Now, what we are doing that, yes, we are going to connecting to EC2 instance. Yes, there are two methods. Yes, we can connect from this AWS console only. We can connect from this AWS console only, or else we can connect from our local by using SSH to trade. Now, click on this EC2 instance connect. Now click on this one. We will get one console in the remote only. See, guys. This is the EC2 server is working fine. Successfully we launched that EC2 instance. That is also Amazon Linux, AMI, Amazon Mission Image. So another method, if you want to connect, just click on that SSH client to remote from our local mission to this instance. Just for if you want to connect, okay, we should have that. What is that? We can use that git bash. We can use git bash, and putty we can use, and mobile stream we can use that. Mobile stream we can use that. Some other tools also there. So many tools are there. But we are using, present we are using git bash. I'll show that how to connect this to instance by using git bash tool. Okay, it's very easy. Next, see guys, click on this SSH client and copy this one. You need not to select like this. Just click on this one button. Automatically it will connect and copy that. Now move to your local mission. So now this is our local mission. Now the cursor is in, the mouse pointer in local mission. Guys, now the mouse pointer is in local mission. Now the cursor in remote AWS console. Okay, guys. Now the cursor is in remote AWS console. Now see, now the cursor is in Gmail console, like this. Now the cursor is in GitHub, remote GitHub console, like this. Now, okay, this is remote connecting to, I mean that remote terminal. Okay, next. So what we are doing that we are going to connecting to instance from our local mission by using git tag. Now, so while creating that instance, yes, we have chosen that PEM key. Yes, either existing PEM key or new PEM key. So what we did, I think we have created new PEM key. Where we kept that? In the local mission. It's downloaded in the document or download or any other specific location. You need to find the PEM key. Where you kept that, you need to recognize and you have to go there. Inside that PEM key location. So in my mission, maybe it's located in downloads. I'll see here. Yes, AWS, not that. This one, no, not this one. Documents. See guys, today at 6:48, okay, we have downloaded. Just now, you don't touch this one. Just be in the empty place. Make sure that Git is installed or not in our local mission. we are connecting to EC2 instance by using Git bash. So before connecting to EC2 instance, you should have Git in your local machine. In last class, we have discussed that. In last class, we have discussed about that Git installation and Git working with on Windows machine also. So what we did is we have downloaded, we have installed, and we have configured username, mail ID. After that, we have configured with the browser. Okay, login access we connected. After that, we have created some files, added and committed and sent to remote repository. Okay, this was happening in previous class. Yes or no? Now what we are doing that by the same Git bash, whatever we have installed that Git bash in previous class, by the tool we are connecting to EC2 instance. EC2 instance. Just click mouse right button. Once you click mouse right button, you can see that Git bash here. Just click on that Git bash here. Yes, this is the terminal. This is the terminal, mini terminal. Just maximize this one. And what is the command to increase font size? Control plus plus, Control plus plus, Control plus Shift plus plus plus, Control minus. We are having only one key to decrease the font size, but we are having two keys to increase font size. Control plus Shift plus plus and Control plus. Now just mouse right button, just paste here. Just hit the enter. Just hit the enter. Yes. Now it is asking that confirmation, apply that YES. Only unique. You should apply that YES if you want to connect to instance. Yes, hit the enter. See guys, successfully now we connected into AWS EC2 instance. This EC2 instance is located. This EC2 instance is located in the Mumbai. Now this server is located. This EC2 instance, of course, this is the virtual instance. This is the virtual mission. Okay, guys, not a direct physical mission. So this EC2 instance working as a virtual VM, virtual mission, but this VM located in the Mumbai. Okay, there are servers. Okay, the physical server is located in Mumbai. Inside that server, yes, AWS organization created, AWS Cloud created one VM, virtual VM. That virtual VM calling as a in AWS format EC2 instance. EC2 instance. Okay, guys. This is the concept. Successfully we have connected. So another one. Yes, let me show you. I'll finish that Git installation. Guys, keep in mind. So we have chosen that AWS operating system. AWS Cloud organization providing one OS that's calling as a default AMI, Amazon Mission Image. That Linux operating system managing are developed by Amazon organization. The Amazon organization or Amazon Cloud providing some services along with that OS. You got it now? Some updated service they are providing. And whatever we are going to install in additional packages, that AWS organization also maintaining one separate server for providing services. And sometimes we are going outside that AWS organization repositories. For example, now what we are doing that m update -y. This is common command in every location. See guys, it's asking that. Now guys, you need to identify, you need to recognize what are our roles and responsibilities. What are our roles and responsibilities? Okay guys, it's asking that, it's saying that permission denied, which means that you don't have permission to access or to run this command on this EC2 instance by using the username. On this EC2 username, you can't run this command. So EC2 user is a normal user. EC2 user is a normal user, that user not having privileges. Not having privileges to access the commands or to run the command directly. who are having the privileges to run the direct command, the root user only having only direct access to run or to execute that command. It means whenever you log in into root user by using root, yes, you can apply that direct like this. But AWS organization or AWS cloud not providing that feature directly. You have to choose yes, the username, or else you need to apply that sudo super user do. It means super user do. Hit the enter. If you want to work with root user, you need to switch into root user. Sudo space -i. Now hit the enter. See guys, now we are in root user. Before that, we are in what is that? EC2 user, normal user. Now you can apply that yum update -y. You will not get that permission. You will not get that prompt. What is that prompt or error? Spelling mistake. No packages marked for update. When we are in EC2 user, see, you can see that you don't have, yes, it's saying that no permissions. Permissions denied. Where we saw that? You need to be root to perform this command, or else you need to use sudo. Okay. But we have applied that sudo command. The same command, whatever we got that, okay, by using sudo, no packages marked for update, even when we are in EC2 user. So you need to apply that sudo. Okay guys, keep in mind, it's very, very important. Very, very important. Yes, sometimes in some cases you will do this mistake. Okay. Knowingly and unknowingly, you are doing some kind of mistakes. Okay. So whenever you are having sudo EC2 user, you should apply that sudo command. So if you don't want to apply that sudo command, so that time you should be in the root user. Okay, whenever you are not in the root user, you can't apply that direct command without applying that sudo command. Note that point. That's very, very important. So note that point means you need to write in your brain, not in the notebook. Okay. Now, okay. So git space -, version. See. No package found, command not found. Guys, now, so what we did, yes, we connected to git bash. And we applied that updated command. Update also we have applied. Now we are working with the installation of git. Now guys, this is the EC2 instance. EC2 instance or server. Now, what we are doing that, now we are applying that command. We are going to apply that yum install git space -y. Okay, whenever you apply this command, the command goes to particular or respective server where it's located. Now, this instance will receive this command and send to AWS. This is the AWS organization or AWS cloud. Yes, this cloud maintaining some server. This AWS cloud maintaining some servers. Those servers are calling software or yum server, yum repository or DNF repository. So what it will do that, yes, the organization, employees, cloud AWS cloud employees, they are maintaining one or more M repositories or DNF repositories. They are storing packages. Package nothing but a software. In Windows we are calling as a software. In Linux we are calling as a package. They are storing or they are placing that packages. Whenever you apply this command, this instance to this command to this AWS cloud location, and inside that cloud they are maintaining some repositories. Yes, if this package is available in this repository, yes, the package will install. The package will install in this. Okay, then. Now we are going to install it, and keep in mind AWS organization or AWS cloud maintaining with the latest or updated packages. AWS cloud maintaining with the updated packages, not nearest one or not latest one. Of course, nearly 70 to 80% or 90% nearest packages they will maintain. Okay. Latest before latest. Now present, what is the version? 2.4, 2.1. It version is? What is the latest version? 2. See guys, this is the version. Okay. Sometimes we can see this latest version also. But whenever we install kit in our, what is that? In our local on-premises server M install kit, so we are getting that 2.39.39.3 or 3.39.0 something we are getting. Yes or no? But not like that. So this AWS cloud will maintain with the latest software, but maybe or may not be very latest one. Okay, updated one versions. Sometimes. Now what we are doing that? Yes, M install git space -y. We are going to install it. See guys, they are providing 2.40.1 git status, git space -, version. They are providing 2.40.1. Okay, but the latest version is 2.42.1. So you need to understand like this. If you want to install our custom version, yes, what next? So M install, yes, M remove git space -y. We uninstall that one. Next, so M install curl development, expand development, get text development, and open SSL hyphen development and getly hyphen devel hyphen y. Of course, compared to our on-premises server, compared to on our local on-premises server, compared to AWS EC2, I mean that AWS cloud. So AWS cloud will provide high speed and high-end configurations. Okay guys, AWS organization will provide a high-end configuration, high-end or what is that service resources, I mean that RAM and processor. Okay, even that net speed also will provide that. Okay, now, so I got that one doubt. The package spelling mistake. You need to take the confirmation again and again. Okay, you need to verify, re-verify again and again. See guys. Spelling. That's correct, but okay. You observed or not? After hitting that enter, I saw that error. So that reason, okay, I have tried to install again that. Next, what next? So install gcc perl -ext utils -make maker -y. Next, okay. So make sure that, see, you need not install these packages. AWS AMI will provide this command. Say already package installed. RPM space -qi wget. Okay, it's already package installed. And VAM also. See, already package also installed. But in our local mission, initially we will not get these packages. Okay. And RPM space -qi tar package installed. RPM space -qi make. You need to install these packages. Whenever you apply that, what is that? Make prefix. We are applying that make prefix. So if you want to execute that command, we should have that package. Make also one package. If you want to execute or if you want to run that command, we should install that package before applying that command. So we are checking with this EC2 instance, is this package installed or not. Of course, successfully installed, make installed, tar installed, and RPM space -qi unzip. This is also installed. Okay. Next, now what we are doing that cd space /opt ll. Okay. By default, these two we are getting. Now, as usual, next all commands are common. Yes, filter here. Git -2.41.42.1 tar. Yes, select this link, copy this link, and move to console. Yes, wget. If you want to install custom package or custom software on AWS EC2 instance also. Next, tar space -xvf extract verbose file. Yes, now, okay, cd git. Next, ll. See guys, here whenever we apply that make all, this command, it will take lot of time, minimum 2 to 5 minutes. So it depends on that our hardware configuration. But you can see that how much it will take. That is make prefix equals to class usr local git all. See how much is going fast, because they are using high-end hardware. Even RAM and the processor, network, everyone, storage. Guys, you got it now? Guys, am I going fast? Hello?
Yes, it is bit fast.
Sorry?
Yeah, we're going bit fast.
Yes, little bit. This is a repeated concept. But AWS account creation is little bit, if you are new to AWS, maybe. Okay? But I think already we are having that some Azure, na?
Yeah, these commands, could you please go a bit slow in commands while entering commands?
Okay, sure. But so whatever we did today's almost 90% on concept of same. Okay. Up to connecting to EC2 instance, those are the new steps. If you are new to AWS. Okay.
Yeah.
So remaining everything common. Okay. Actually, I'm observing that yes,
Okay.
little bit I'm going fast because that. So these are the repeated concepts. Na? We need to
Yeah.
get new concepts, so that reason I'm little bit going fast.
Okay.
Of course, here the session also recording, nothing to worry. But whenever you are seeing this video, just go a little bit. Yes, you can put that slow mode. I mean that some speed.
Need to be activate international debit card level. So I need to log in net banking, then enable.
Okay. Okay, guys. Now successfully we compile. Now what we do that? Yes, same command apply that install. Just a matter of seconds. Yes, now you can apply that git space hyphen version you will not get. Still we are getting that old version. Yes, apply that yum. I think Gopinath, you got this issue. Someone asked that question now. Yes, I am working with, after installing latest version Git, still I am working with old version. Someone asked me that and I think it resolved it. Shakti or Gopinath?
Narayana. Narayana.
Narayana, no, not Narayana.
Narayana.
In between. Okay. Git yum remove git space hyphen y. Yes, remove this one and hash hyphen r if you want to remove that garbage. Now you can apply that git space hyphen version. You will not get command not found. So still we are having. Yes, we need to. Sorry. No. We will not get command not found. We will get the command not found after removing also. But so export path equals to $path $/user local git space hyphen version. Still we are having that. Yes, guys, still we are having that. Yes, if you want to find that, yes, git that is the one. Okay, so yum remove git space hyphen y package not a marked. Yes, cd /bin ll. Yes, you can find that git in the G series. You can find that git. GI. Okay. So what we have to do? So we need to remove this one. Just wait, guys. Yes, I'm applying that reboot. So we are applying that. So reboot. Yes, before that VAM ~/rc. So we are applying that export mark here. Yes, export path equals to $path:\usr local git. What is the use of this one, guys? What is the use of this one? Yes, we are setting that path in permanent mode. There are two types of paths. One is the temporary, one is the permanent. Now we are putting this path in permanent mode. Okay, yes. After that reboot, so we are going to rebooting the server. in the AWS console, it will reboot. Now connection closed. Now the connection closed in between our local and the remote EC2 instance. Now you can check here. Come here. Yes. Just refresh here.
అన్నా రవీంద్ర అన్న, ఇక్కడ మీరు సర్వర్ ని ఇప్పుడు రీబూట్ చేశారు కదా కమాండ్స్ తో. ఇప్పుడు ఎంటైర్ కన్సోల్ లో ఎంటైర్ సర్వీస్ రీబూట్ ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ అక్కడ కాకుండా ఇక్కడ సర్వర్ ని రీబూట్ చేస్తాం అనుకో, ఇక్కడ కన్సోల్ లో. హలో, కన్సోల్ లో ఇక్కడ రీబూట్ చేస్తాము, ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ రీబూట్ చేసిన ఇప్పుడు మీరు చేసిన రీబూట్ ఉంది కదా అక్కడ గిట్ లో, సేమా లేదంటే సంథింగ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉందా?
సేమ్ అంతే, రెండు ఒకటి. ఇప్పుడు అట్లా కాదు. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇద్దరం కలిసి ఒక ఆర్డర్ తీసుకున్నాం, మధ్యలో నీకు నాకు లింక్ అయింది, ఓకేనా? నువ్వు లోకల్, నేను రిమోట్. నువ్వేం చేసినావు? నీ వైపు కట్ చేసినావు, మన ఇద్దరి మధ్య కనెక్షన్ ఉంటుందా? లేదు.
కానీ ఈ డౌట్ నేను ఎందుకు అడుగుతున్నా అంటే, నా అజూర్ లో నువ్వు సర్వర్ లెవెల్లో రీబూట్ చేస్తే అది డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటది, ఓకేనా? దాని పర్ఫార్మెన్స్. ఈ కన్సోల్ లెవెల్లో రీబూట్ చేస్తే అది వేరే విధంగా ఉంటది. చెప్తా అది కూడా. ఇప్పుడు సర్వర్ లెవెల్లో రీబూట్ చేసినామంటే, ఇక్కడ కన్సోల్ లో రీబూట్ చేసినామంటే మొత్తం టోటల్ సర్వీస్, దాని బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ మొత్తం అంతా రీఫ్రెష్ అయిపోతుంది. అక్కడ ఓఎస్ లెవెల్లో రీబూట్ చేసామంటే జస్ట్ ఓఎస్ లెవెల్లో కొన్ని సర్వీసే రీబూట్ అవుతాయి, అన్ని సర్వీస్ రీబూట్ కావు.
ఇక్కడ అంటే ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? ఇక్కడ దీనికి ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి?
దీనికి కంప్లీట్ సర్వీసులు అంటే, ఇప్పుడు దీని బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ నడిచేదంతా కన్సోల్ లో బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ డిఫరెంట్ టీమ్స్ అంతా మేము పర్మిషన్ తీసుకుంటాం అన్ని స్టాప్ చేసుకోండి అని. ఇప్పుడు ఓఎస్ లెవెల్లో ఏంటంటే, ఓఎస్ లెవెల్లో వాళ్ళు ఏదో చేసుకుంటా ఉంటారు అంతేగాని ఆ రీబూట్ అనేది కొంచెం ఎఫెక్టే ఉంటది. ఇక్కడ సర్వీస్ రీబూట్ చేసినామంటే అది సివియర్ గా ఉంటది ఇంపాక్ట్.
అది ఎప్పుడు జరుగుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేసాము అంటే, ఇన్స్టాన్స్ ని రీబూట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేసాం. ఫర్దర్ సర్వీసెస్ ఏమి వాడుతున్నాము అనేది, ఓకేనా? అక్కడ ఏమేమి దేని కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి, ఓకేనా? ఈ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ దేని కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి అనేది అది ఇంకా సపరేట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైపోతుందంటే కనెక్షన్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది.
అంతే దీనికోసం అడిగా, అంతే,
ఓకేనా? కనెక్షన్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది. కానీ నువ్వు ఇన్స్టాన్స్ ని నువ్వు స్టాప్ చేస్తే, ఓకేనా, ఇన్స్టాన్స్ ని స్టాప్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ ఏమైపోతుంది, ఇక్కడైతే కనెక్షన్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఆ తర్వాత ఆ ఇంపాక్ట్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంటుంది, ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టాన్స్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఇన్స్టాన్స్ నే రన్ చేస్తున్నాము, ఇన్స్టాన్స్ లో ఏదో అప్లికేషన్ రన్ అవుతుంది. అలా ఆ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ ఏమైపోయింది, ఒక S3 దేనికో కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది, లేదంటే RDS కి కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. మరి దీని ఇంపాక్ట్ దాని మీద ఉంటుందా ఉండదా?
ఉంటది,
ఓకేనా? సో ఓవరాల్ గా ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ అనేది ఇంటర్నల్ గా వర్క్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. కాకపోతే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసామంటే అంత దూరం వెళ్ళలేదు. అర్థమైందా? మనం అంత దూరం వెళ్ళలేదు. అంత దూరం ప్రజెంట్ ఏంటంటే జస్ట్ మనకి రీబూట్ అనేది అవసరమైంది. ఆ కిట్ అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసిన తర్వాత అది వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ప్యాకేజ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయింది, దాన్ని వర్క్ చేసాము, తర్వాత రిమూవ్ చేసాము. అయినా అక్కడ గిట్ వర్షన్ అప్లై చేస్తేనేమో వస్తుంది, కానీ ప్యాకేజ్ చూస్తేనేమో లేదా. ఓకేనా? అదేంటి ఆ గార్బేజ్ అనేది ఇంకా స్టిల్ అక్కడ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఒకసారి రీబూట్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమైందంటే రీఫ్రెష్ అయితే వస్తుంది, దానికోసం చేసాం. కానీ ఏదో నువ్వు అన్నట్టు దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్ వే. Okay, we are not taking that immediate decision to restart and to stop the services in real time. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you are doing that like that, yes, 100% or 1000% you go for that escalation without taking without taking permission from the team, respective team. Okay.
Yeah.
సో అదంతా అది ఫర్దర్ ప్రాసెస్ విల్ డిస్కస్ లేటర్ అంతా. ఓకేనా? సర్వీసెస్ ఏమేమి
Okay.
పోతాయి, ఓకే, దాని ఇంపాక్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది,
Okay.
ఎవరెవరి మీద ఉంటుంది, ఏవే కనెక్ట్
Okay.
అవుతాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇంకోటి, నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నువ్వు షట్ డౌన్ చేసావే అనుకో, ఈ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ షట్ డౌన్ చేసావు అనుకో, ఇట్ ఈస్ అందర్ ఆటో స్కేలింగ్ ఏమైపోతుంది. సో వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ దట్ ఆటో స్కేల్ విల్ క్రియేట్ వన్ మోర్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్.
Correct.
Okay, so like that we are having different activities we discuss later on that. Okay.
Okay.
Even the load balancer also we throw that immediate one notification to CloudWatch.
Yes.
CloudWatch will throw that one notification to SNS. SNS will throw that one notification or mail to that respective team. Okay?
Correct.
Later. Okay. Now.
Okay.
Yes. Again. Okay. Now connect to sudo s space -i. Next git space -, version. Still we are having that. Okay. Some issues are, yes, we'll see that, yes. So we need to find that issue. Which git? So rm space -rm. Bin. So I remove this one. Now it is space -, version. No such by the source /dot /rc. Git space -. We removed it. Actually, package is not there, but some executable packages are inside this class bin. So we remove those, okay, packages. So which one coming by the yum install kit, we removed that. So after that, which we kept inside that /usr local kit. Now this command calling from /usr local kit bin folder. Yes, here also see this /usr local kit. You can see here also we are having that cd bin. Got it? So which one we saw in the class bin? Okay, which one we saw the file name git in the class bin? That's the 2.40.0. But this one 2.42.1. Got it, guys? So we need to become like this. So this is the concept. This is the concept to install it on AWS console. In today's class, what we did, we saw that, yes, from scratch, I shown you that. Okay, you saw that from scratch. So, okay, where we need to start to create AWS account, we should have that email or any one mail ID. So after that, so we should have that one debit card or credit card. Okay, so at least we should have 2 or 2 rupees. So after that, we should have that registered mobile number for that account, and you should have that same mobile number, or you can use another mobile for communication, AWS communication purpose. Okay, after that, okay, we have created AWS account by using those fields. After that, we chosen that, okay, what is the purpose, what is the role, and which purpose we are using this AWS account. Okay, so we chosen that system administrator for DevOps and personal use. Okay, finally we have created and logged into that AWS account. After that, we have created EC2 instance. This is the concept in today's class. Yes, let me know any doubt. Guys, please let me know if you have any doubt.